Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is Jen Rodriguez from Masagari Channel, a faith healer o the Matariris. So ngayong hapon na to, tignan natin nagsabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a weekly gabay for the month of October 5 hanggang October 12 for the sign of Scorpio. So Scorpio, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanino kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Scorpio ang ating mga hagilap? So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And notification bell for more videos update. Kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads, naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal. Siksik, liglig, nag-uumapaw na biyayang maanang balik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages advice sa iyo ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Scorpio. So let's see and watch this. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Scorpio signs ang ating mga hagilap? So, ito na guys. Tutungayan na natin at bubulabagin ngayong linggo at ngayong unang linggo ng Oktubre. So, ito na. Angel Spirit, please give information po. So, this is a Five of Pentacles. So, this is something financial loss or financial crisis, no? Nakakaranas ka ng kagipitan ngayon. This is a Five of Cups with something acceptance, no? Kumbaga, unti-unti mo nang matatanggap, no? Yung mga bagay na yan. Kumbaga, kung nakaranas ka ng mga financial loss, there's a possible na unti-unti ka nang makakatanggap ng mga tulong. And this is a judgment for a wake-up call, na kailangan mo nga mag-pay attention sa kung ano man yung mga nangyayari. This is something maling sistema o ayun nga, no? Yung mga bad habits, or kumbaga maling cycles, no, kung paano ka mag-manage ng finances. This is something for of Pentacles, for protect your power, protect your energy, saving money. So ito na nga yung sinasabi na magtipid, mag-imbak, mag-ipon, no? So let's see additional messages. And because this is a Three of Swords with a pain, no? With a something hurtful or something, guys, this is something insecurities. No? So, let's see. Clarify natin yan later. So, this is the Three of Wands for waiting for soul, waiting for ship. No? Kung may mga bagay na hinihintay ka, no, maaaring ito na yung resulta. This is what is the Five of Pentacles? So, this is the Six of Pentacles. So, see, kung nakaranas ka ng financial loss or something financial crisis, there's an eventually magtutuloy-tuloy na yan. No? Magiging maganda na ang eksena mo. Kumaga, may tulong ng universe na maaaring ipagkalob sa'yo with the high faces. So, this is something matatanggap mo tong something a mystery of kingdom of God. So, kumbaga yung mga misteryoso sa likod ng mga pangyayari sa buhay mo ay matatanggap mo na, no? Na maaaring kumbaga magdala sa'yo ng kumbaga acceptance talaga, na para matatanggap mo na itong bagay na nangyayari to, it's a God perfect plan. So, let's see. So, the judgment represents the Seven of Cups by opportunities, no? Pinapaalalahanan ka na maraming oportunidad na papasok sa eksena mo. Just be aware kung ano tatanggapin mo. The Four of Pentacles represent the Magician for manifestation. May mga bagay na unti-unti ka na ma-manifest. May mga bagay na unti-unti mo na maisa sa katuparan. May mga pagkakataon na may ilalantad at may ilalahad na sa'yo kung ano yung mga bagay na posibleng maganap, no? Pagdating sa pera, no? Kumbaga sinasabi ngayon na kumbaga nagkaroon ng unexpected moment dahil sa mga biglaang problemang dumating. And there's a possible with a magician, with the power of God, na kumbaga sinusubok ko lang kung paano mo pangahawakan yung mga pinaghirapan mo. Ganon. The Three of Swords represent what? Represent the King of Wands, something vision. No, kumbaga unti-unti mo nang makikita, no, masakit man, mahirap man, but eventually guys, it's a part of your journey, no, to have a lessons, no, na para maranasan mo at maramdaman mo kung paano mo lilimitahan yung sarili mo sa mga negativities or paano mo pangangalagaan at paano mo maimamanage yung mga bagay na pinanghirapan mo or resource of income mo. The Three of Wands represent what? The Knight of Swords with the success drive-in, no? Magsasuccess ka na at the end of the time. So, ito yung mga bagay na hinintay mo. Maaaring mangyari na. So, what is the Five of Pentacles and the Six of Pentacles? So, this is everything is fine. So, lahat ng mga pinagdaanan mo, sa buhay mo ay, kumbaga, kahirapan man yan, sakripisyo, paghihirap, but eventually, guys, kumbaga, kinakaya mo. So, let's see what is the 5 of Cups in reverse in the high fist. So, this is the 2 of Pentacles with a balance, no? Maging balance ka, emotional, practical, physical, and mental. The 5, the Judgment, of course, the 7 of Cups, surface, and the 5 of Swords. So, this is something self-sabotage. Now, nagkakaroon self-sabotage not because of your action. Kaya pinapaalalahanan ka na huwag kang magulo, no? Parang wag magulo yung utak mo, mag-focus ka. At magtiyaga ka sa kung ano man ang nangyayari sa'yo. What is the 4 of Pentacles and the Magician? Represent the Moon card for a truth reveal. Now, this is something dream coming true. Maaring may sa katuparan na to. Maaring makita mo na to at malaman mo na to. So, let's see what is the 3 of Swords because the King of Wands. Something the Wheel of Fortune. Wow, this is something good luck. Blessing is yours. Talaga pinapakita dito na unti-unti mo nang masisilayan no, ang pagbabago magaganap dahil papabor na sa'yo ang sitwasyon with the Justice card. Kung may mga bagay na hinintay ka, kung may mga bagay na gusto mo makuha, ay maaari mo nang makuha. Now, this is a Justice card. Represent the justice, justisya, consequences sa lahat ng mga bagay na ginawa mo. No? So, let's see what is the outcome. The outcome is the 6 of Wands for victory as yours. So, magtatagumpay ka naman daw at the end of the time. So, this is the 10 of Wands, so something burden, obligation, responsibilities. And this is the 9 of Cups with an offer. Maraming offer na darating sa'yo. And the Hermit card with a spiritual journey. Talagang pinagdadaanan mo to at proseso to ng ating Panginoon. Paano hubugin ka? Paano maging matatag? Paano maging malakas sa mga pinagdaanan mo sa buhay mo? Additional messages tayo pagdating naman sa career. Pagdating sa career, there's a 9 of Pentacles with the security. Maging secure ka sa pinaghirapan mo. The 9 of Wands is something with silence, no? Kailangan tikong bibig, no? Magtiyaga ka sa kung ano man yung mga bagay na ginagawa mo. But at the end of the time, guys, magiging matagumpay ka dyan sa larangan na pinanghahawakan mo. Sinasabi dito, mag-focus ka. Gawin mo yung mga bagay na makakapagpasaya sa'yo. Gawin mo yung mga bagay na mas importante, no? At yung mga bagay na kailangan iwasan at waksiin, no? At mababago ng ikot ang kapalaran sa'yo. At yung mga bagay na yan ay sinisiguradong ipagkakalob sa'yo in the perfect timing. Additional messages pagdating sa career. So, this is a strength card by confidence is yours, no? Para pinapakita dito na lakasan mo ang loob mo. This is a King of Cups by devoted supportive person na maaaring sinusupport at ginagabayan ka naman. Additional messages pagdating sa love life. So, this is a 8 of Cups with something I'm moving on or moving forward. Now, this is something getting away from this situation. Merong unti-unti ka na makakabangon, makakaraos pagdating sa pag-ibig, no? Kumbaga, may mga bagay na nangyari sa'yo from the past, sasaktan, nabigo, iniwan, naglaruan, ano man yan, mga bagay na yan, ay maaaring isang part na lang siya ng kwento mo. And of course, the Page of Cups by intuition, na tama ang gut feeling mo, na you need to let go. This is something the lover is coming in for you. May bagong kang darating na pag-ibig, may bagong pagmamahal, may bagong, kumbaga, magpapatibok sa pihikang puso mo. Ganon. Additional messages pagdating sa health. This is a star card for healing. So, there's a possible na magkakaroon ka na ng healing and miracles. At the same time, this is a 2 of Wands by choices. No? Choice mo yan. Kung alagaan mo yung sarili mo, there's a possible na maging maganda na ang kalusugan mo. Additional messages tayo pagdating naman tayo sa Yin and Yang Oracle card. For Yin and Yang Oracle card, represent what? Represent cycle. So, see, una pa lang sinabi ko sa iyo, baguhin ang maling sistema. This is cycle and this is a something change, no? Kumbaga, kung hindi mo babaguhin, walang magaganap na pagbabago. Ganon. It will become a transformation. This is something lack and doubt. Alisin mo yung pag-aalilangan at alisin mo yung panghihinayang. And this is something comfort zone. Kailangan mo nang kumawala sa comfort zone mo. Isa sa mga bagay na kinakatakutan mo na mabago ang pinaggagawa mo. And this is something growth. Magkakaroon ka ng growth and expansion. So, let's see what is additional messages with the Mystic Oracle deck. And they're healing, releasing. Talaga may kagalingan dito, guys. And this is something ex-lover. No? May ex talaga na maaaring gustong bumalik. No? And this is something, anxiety and worries. No? Alisin mo yung, kumbaga nagbibigay ng depression sa iyo and stress. Nag-iisip ka kasi, nag-aalala ka, gato ganyan. For magical fairy messages, represent what? There's a son, no? Maaaring may anak kay lalaki, or maaaring nag-iisa lang siyang anak na lalaki, or nag-iisa ka anak na lalaki, and this is something diary change, na unti-unti na magbabago. At may pagbabago na magaganap pagdating sa health issues mo. No, kung gusto mo magbago ang health issues mo, improve mo yung yung mga kinakain mo. So let's see what is the synchronicities. Represent a solution. This is something formula solution, guys. And this is something communication. Now, meron talagang communication dito, guys, na communication is the key na to success. And this is something joy. Magiging maligaya ka. Magiging maligaya ka na, no? Sa mga susunod na panahon at susunod na araw, sa mga susunod na buwan, linggo at taon. Let's see, guys, now what is Archangel Michael messages? Archangel Michael is a positive thought, create a positive result. Always think positive, being optimistic. No? Kailangan positibo ka sa lahat ng eksena para maging positibo rin ang kalalabasan ng mga ginagawa mo. This is something, pay attention to your dreams. No? Kumbaga, maging babala sa yung mga bagay na mga panaginip na binibigay sa'yo. And there is a right about your thought and feelings. No? Kailangan mong sundin yung mga pangitain na mga nararamdaman mo. No? Kasi minsan tama yan. So, angel spirit. So, this is psychic abilities, no? May kakayanan ka, kaalaman ka, kaya gamitin mo yan ng tama. This is something self-inventory. No? Kumbaga, papalawakin ng iyong kaalaman, kakayanan. No? Mas lalo siyang yayabong. And there is an astral travel. Oh, see, I told you. This is psychic abilities, kakayanan, kaalaman. And this is astral travel by vital force for dreams, time, soul travel. Ito yung tinatawag na astral travel or telepathy, no? May kakayanan ka makapunta sa ibang lugar, no? Gamit ang iyong meditation. And this is something, an intuition and mystery. See? Kumbaga, this is a small, it is involved about sa spiritual knowledge, no? Kumbaga, madadagdagan ang kaalaman mo, madadagdagan ang kakayanan mo. For the energy, represent what? Represent an indecision. May mga bagay na nahihirapan ka pa mag-decide. And there's a third chakra, Archangel Chamuel, by your digestive reproductive system. Kailangan na uminom ka at kumain ka ng mga herbs and of course, yun nga, herb and of course, alternative medicine. And there's an attachment. Mag-ingat ka sa mga impostor, maskara, nagbabalat kayo. For romance angels, pagdating sa pag-ibig, so let's see, there's a soulmate connection. Maaring soulmate kayo ng person mo. And there's a let go of control issue. Pakawalan mo yung mga bagay na hindi mo kontrolado. This is something unfolded naturally. For the chakra messages, and this is a perseverance, no? Konting tiyaga pa, no? May mga bagay na makukuha ka rin. And this is something instinct. Tama yung hinala mo, tama yung intuitions mo. And there's an impace, no? Mas sumusubok humarang talaga sa eksena mo. No, kumbaga kilala mo to at nararamdaman mo. Oh. Tama ang hinala mo, may yung maharang. For angels, answer represent what? Represent within the next few months, sa mga susunod na buwan, no? And of course, this is something no need to worry. Hindi mo kailangan mangamba and just trust. Kailangan mo na lang magtiwala, no? Kailangan mo magtiwala. This is something in romance angels. Pagdating sa buhay, pag-ibig, ginagabayan kayo ng ating angel spirit. For angel spirit messages, give me information po. So this is some time to decide. Kailangan mo na mag-desisyon ngayon, no? Gamitin mo ang puso mo at isip mo sa mag-desisyon, maging balance. This is something writing na maraming mga bagay na parang matututunan ka pa. So let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit. Loneliness, no? Hindi ka nag-iisa. No, may gumagabay sa'yo, guys. And of course, this is something service, no? If you are a public servant or maaring trabaho mo ay services, and this is something abundance coming in for you. May kasaganahan talaga naghihintay sa'yo. And there's a health, no? Even sa health mo, magiging masagana na rin. Pagdating sa Archangel Raphael messages, acceptance. Unti-unti mo na matatanggap ang regalo ng ating universe, lalo na ating Archangel Raphael. And there's a diet is more important here. Kailangan mo talaga mag-diet, guys. Double clarification na ha. And this is a fresh air. Kailangan mo rin ng sariwang hangin. Kaya maglinis sa inyong tahanan. Additional messages. So this is something whale and the Orca elders. So that's something deep diving deep, no? Kumbaga, kailangan mo raw magpaka layo-layo or parang mag-isip ka na mag-isa. No? Parang, kumbaga, kailangan mo magpaka-isa-isa. Parang gano'n. Parang, kailangan mong unwind. No? Kailangan pumunta sa isang lugar na ikaw lang nag-iisa para mag-isip-isip ka. And this is something lost land with soul memories, no? Maaring nangyari na to before at nagawa mo at naging naisa katuparan mo. Maaring, kumbaga, this is something a past life lessons na maaring mangyari ulit. At nagawa mo naman mapagtagumpayan. So, let's see what is the Moontology. The energy is gaining momentum. Itong mga bagay na to, hindi mo to makakalimutan. Tatatak talaga to sa'yo. And there's a have faith in your dreams. Kailangan mo magtiwala sa mga pangarap mo. For Jesus' loving quote said, Angel Spirit, represent what? Let your light so shine before men, they may see your good works, and glorify your Father which is in the heavens. So see, kung magayaan mo yung mga gawa mo, no, magsilbing liwanag, no, para makita ng mga tao sa paligid mo. At ang Panginoon mismo, magbibigay ng gantimpala na regalo na biyaya na ipagkakaloob sa iyo. Maniwala ka lang daw na lahat ng mga gagawin mo ay may kaakibat na consequences or may kaakibat na hard work, paying off, no? Kumaga, sinasabi dito, magtiwala ka lamang. For the angels number, represent what? Represent a 555 for clarity. Liliwanagin, at magsisilbing liwanag to sa'yo. You aren't victim of circumstances, rather you are a beneficiary of it. If there were cases that life would pretty dull, you will set yourself up for success in the long run if you are willing to adapt to this shift. Everything this is working out of the best at long last. You are accomplishing what you set out to do. Everything will work and perfectly at the end. So see, magiging matagumpay ka, liwanagin at linawin mo kung ano yung mga bagay na nangyayari sa iyo ngayon. So let's see what is the messages of life. And there's a unity na pagkakaisa. This is a great transformation na mangyayari sa buhay mo. Today I bring my attention into the present moment where I become one with the inner light. As I make these conscious connections, I find myself centered in my heart and begin to glow with my own divinity. Union with my inner light provides me with a wise, stable base on which I can now live every day of my life. So see, ang mismong pagkakaisa ang magbubuklod sa iyo para sa tagumpay. Kumaga may mga bagay lang talaga dyan na liliwanagin at uunawain mo. No? Kung ano yung mga mensahe sa iyo ng ating gabay, na may mga bagay na unti-unti na mababago. So guys, this is a weekly gabay for the month of October 5 hanggang October 12 for the sign of Scorpio. So Scorpio, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So once again, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate, kundi lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And the notification bell for more videos update. Or kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal siksik liglig na gumapaw na biyayang manabalik sa inyo. At maraming salamat and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush.